Hello guys. It's it guys. My husband giving me this today. He come on my workplace. Mm. He giving this also. And I told him about the biscuits. I think he forget the biscuit. That's why. I check. I think. Oh my god, so cute. So cute. Thank you. Thank you, my husband. Before I have this from Saudi Arabia, but not same. Her charger is like other. But I don't know why broken. And also mic. But I don't know how to. I forgot. But not shown my mobile. I like watermelon. This is half, but I share. I share to my coworker. Some I share. Yes. I don't know how, but I share. This my coworker is, I don't know what kind of brain, because he cannot understand. She cannot understand what I'm saying. Just simple. Don't. If you come here, so you close the door, because so many uh, so many mosquito, and dengue is danger. But she cannot understand. I'm always every day. I'm so tired to telling her. I'm so tired to telling her. Even even my mother also feel tired of her. She is 3 years here work, but I don't know what to do. She doing so slow. That's why my madam is and my boss decide to end her work maybe next Saturday and this Saturday she going and she not come back again. She not come back. I don't know it's true or not because my madam is so tired thinking what kind of I would like to thank to my beloved husband. Thank you for this. Thank you for everything. And I appreciate this so much. And thank you for giving me fruits. But you forget the biscuits. But it's okay. When my holiday comes, so we buy. Not need always you come here so much, so far, and so much travel. Thank you for caring and always support me. Thank you so much. Now I want to try this. Charot. This is chargeable, and tomorrow is what date today? Tomorrow is tomorrow is 6. Yeah, so 6. Yes, Saturday she going. And I don't know she come back or not. Madam can decide that. She come back or not. But I'm so tired of this girl. Every day. I don't know what she thinking, but like that. She not thinking she bothered other people. She not thinking she do wrong to other people. She just, I don't know. I think she is a crazy woman. Oh my god. I charge and then low bat. This is a charger. This is mirror but have light in this side. Like madam giving me this. I feel so tired, so maybe I cannot wash my clothes here. I don't know. But, I try. Sorry. How do I went through my life without you? Oh, why? Okay, guys, so now I will end my live because I have to do something. So, okay. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz. Mwah.